Special Electronics and Designs Inc. Hello. What we will talk about today is the Rescom Elite RCC03/450 intrinsically safe rated cable and communication safety rope reel. This small cable reel is capable of storing and deploying up to 450 meters of cable and 150 meters of rope. A large version, the RCC04/900, is capable of storing and deploying up to 900 meters of cable and 300 meters of rope. Though a larger capacity reel, it is essentially the same in construction, so we will not show it today. Both styles of the reel integrate a 3-port junction box into the hub, simplifying your deployment carry-ins. Air-filled tires make easy work of pulling the cart over rough terrain like uneven ground and railway ties. The reel's brake holds the reel from dispensing more rope or cable to prevent a tripping hazard around the equipment. For storage, the handle can be folded down to fit into smaller storage compartments. Let's talk a bit about the set-to-work procedure for those that have purchased an empty reel. You can start this process with the handle folded as it arrived, or you can extend it up by raising the handle. Align the holes in the handle arms. Then insert the detent pins to lock. Before beginning, check the cable and rope capacity chart located on the top surface of the reel hub to ensure the cable or rope to be attached matches the capacity. Gently pull the reel termination out from the reel drum hub about 4 centimeters past the grommet. With the cable or rope in hand, find the termination end with the model and serial number affixed nearby. We suggest connecting this end as it will avoid damage during use to remain until the product requires replacement late in its life. Holding the two terminations close to each other to view the interior, align the key and keyway of the two connectors, orient and gently push the connectors together. Grasp the fluted connector ring lock and rotate while gently pushing the connectors together until you feel the ring lock drop into position. Then rotate about a quarter turn to lock. You will feel a definite latching when it seats. When seated, you will observe that the two colored dots will be located opposite of each other, taking the mated connector pair. Push the assembly into the rubber grommet until it is seated to the fluted ring lock of the cable or rope connector. This stows it so it does not interfere with the reeled cables or ropes later. You will find a cable clamp on the reel body. We recommend using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, which looks like this. Use of any other size Phillips screwdriver will damage the screw head as it will not sit correctly in the head and may form burrs which could later abrade the cable jacket or rope. Loosen the clamp screw a few turns, or remove if necessary, to allow the cable to be clamped in place. Arrange the clamp to point toward the center to align the cable direction with the later to be wrapped cables, as I am showing you here. Alternatively, you can arrange the clamp toward the outside, but now we recommend this be done after a full wrap of cable as I am showing you now. The cable reel brake should be adjusted to your preference. Note the brake has 3 positions. Released where the drum can move easily. A midpoint that snugs the drum slightly. And the final full brake position that firmly grips the drum axle to brake its movement. This is the screw that is adjusted to determine the brake tightness. Loosen the screw slightly by rotating it incrementally counterclockwise if it is too hard to latch. Or tighten the screw by rotating it incrementally clockwise to slow or fully brake the movement of the drum. Retighten or loosen as necessary until you get the braking effect required. When the reel is being stored or shipped, the crank handle is stowed on the left side of the reel frame, as you can see here. Lift the unit on one end and pull outward to remove from the frame. Insert the slotted shaft into the axis of the reel and rotate while gently pushing it inward. This will let the slot seat on the internal pin. It is now ready to use. To stow, snap the lower end into the utility clip as I am demonstrating. You can see that the crank arm sits atop the clip. And then, to finish the task, we snap the grip into the upper utility clip. For more information, please visit our Knowledge Center. Thank you.